Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm here to teach you how to make the perfect Pina Colada. I'm going to teach you the recipe right now. So, light rum, pineapple juice, and coconut cream. I use Coco Lopez. Coco Lopez, it looks really bad when you open the can. You might have to heat it up a little bit to get it to do what you want to do, which is put it in some kind of squirt bottle. But I'm going to go ahead and make this with my NutriBullet blender, and here we go. So you're going to start off with your coconut cream. 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces should make it nice and white and creamy. This is what makes the Pina Colada creamy. And it is vegan. There is no actual cream or dairy at all in it, which a lot of people don't know. And then you'll go ahead and use that 1.5 to 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice is better than not fresh pineapple juice, but anything works. I like to throw a couple pineapple chunks into my Pina Colada, so just to add some juiciness to it. And we'll go ahead and do 2 ounces of our Bacardi rum. Bacardi is a flavorless rum. It is distilled almost to the point of vodka, which is neutrality and means zero flavor. If you change up the rum that you're putting in your Pina Colada, of course it'll change the profile and flavor. So you're gonna add the ice, and you're gonna always want like a couple clean cubes on top. That's how you know you're gonna get it to that perfect frozenness. And we'll go ahead and screw that on and blend her up. You see? Frothy and frozen. Oops. Spilling everywhere, as usual. You know me, my name's Think Twice Mike. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it right into the glass. See how smooth that is and juicy. Oh yeah, you know Daddy has the perfect pour. And so we'll go ahead and garnish it. A little pineapple slice over here, maybe a couple pineapple fronds up here. And we'll go ahead and do that right up. And now we will taste it. And there you have it, the Pina Colada. Now we'll go ahead and taste it. Remember, turtle-friendly straws, paper straws, glass straws, plastic straws, whatever. Don't use plastic, I mean. Oh man, this is what you're looking for when you're going to the beach, looking for a Pina Colada. I'm from Florida, and I've always drank Pina Coladas. Super big judge on Pina Colada and Pina Colada mixes. A lot of those Pina Colada mixes go overly sweet, over the top. This is what you're looking for. Real pineapple and coconut cream with a little bit of rum. What a good drink. Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. Everything you see and hear is in a link below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on ALCOHELLO.